Genesis chapter 6 Audio Bible. The wickedness of mankind. When mankind has spread over all the world and girls were being born, some of the heavenly beings saw that these girls are very beautiful. So they took ones they liked. Then the Lord said, I will not allow the people to live forever. They are mortal. From now on, they will live no longer 120 years. In those days, and when later, and even later, there were giants on the earth who were descendants of human, women, and heavenly beings. They were the great heroes and famous men of long ago. When the Lord saw how wicked everyone on the earth was, how evil their thoughts were all time, he was sorry that he had ever made them and put them on the earth. He was so filled with regret, and then that he said, I will wipe out these people I created and also the animals, birds, because I am sorry I made of any of them. But the Lord was pleased with Noah. This is the story of Noah. He had 3 sons, Shem, Ham, and Japheth. Noah had no faults and was the only good man of his time. He lived in fellowship with God, but everyone else was evil in God's sight, and violence has spread everywhere. God looked at the world and saw that was evil, for the people were all living evil lives. So God said to Noah, I have decided to put an end of the mankind. I will destroy completely because the world is full of their violent deeds. Build a boat for yourself out of good timber. Make rooms that cover it with tar inside and outside. Make it 133 meters long, 22 meters wide, 13 meters high. Make a roof for the boat to leave space for 44 centimeters between the roof and the sides. Build with 3 decks and put the door in the side. I am going to send a flood on the earth to destroy every living being. Everything on the earth will die, but I will make a covenant with you. Go into the boat, take with your wife, your sons, and their wives. Take into both with the male and female, every kind of the animal, bird, in order to keep them alive. Take along all kinds of food for you and for them. Noah did everything God commanded.